Hey y'all, what's up gang? Welcome back. First of all, if you are here once again and you have not subscribed, why aren't you subscribed? You come back every time. You might as well subscribe. And you want to know the perks of being subscribed to me? If you hit the notification bell, you will know every time I post a new video. Did you know that? Fun fact, by the way. Fun fact. So why don't you go ahead and just click that button down there, or down here, or wherever it is. Just click the button, because you always come back, so you might as well subscribe. It's free. So today I'm back with a style with me video. Y'all, I still have not popped off the rest of my nails from the last time, but it's okay, because when I get the time, I am going to redo them. So please don't treat me in the comments. Don't treat me in the comments, okay? Today, this video is basically gonna be me styling my favorite pieces that are in my closet, just showing you what type of style I have and my different aesthetics that I have. So I'm not gonna talk too long. I'm not gonna hold y'all up. So before I go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on y'all post notifications so you know about every new video I have coming out. And I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video.